Once you get to Germany, these are the things that you should consider doing immediately you get to Germany. When you just arrived, you just relocated and or you just migrated to Germany, there are lists of things you need to do. It's not like you just arrive and then you don't do some things. There are lists of things that you really need to consider doing because the German government they don't take all these things lightly. They don't joke with that. And what are some of the things that you should do immediately you arrive Germany? What you should do when you arrive Germany is that first you have to register your address, which is the Amadon. They call it what Amadon. So you have to register where you're staying. It's not like maybe like Africa or where will I say like Africa where everybody's just living, they don't really know people address, they don't take note of people address. You need to register your address because most of the time they are going to be sending you letters and all of that. So without an Amazon, what can you do in Germany? Like you need to have a registered address. So the first thing you want to do is you go to the office and then you get your house registered. Even though you're just joining your partner, these are some of the process and some of the things that you're going to do immediately you arrive Germany, even with the family reunion visa, whether student visa or whatever it is. So please take note, this is one thing you do. Then the second thing you should do when you arrive Germany is that you need to get your health insurance. See, the German government they don't take this, they don't take health insurance. They don't joke with health insurance. Get your insurance. Get whatever insurance that is needed for you, that is required for you. So you need to what get your what insurance. There are a couple of what insurance companies. So just explore, go through them, and then choose the one that you feel is okay for you. If you're joining your partner or your parents, in Germany, you can choose to, join their plug of their insurance. Okay, so don't joke with this. Your insurance, once you get to Germany, don't joke with that. All right. So the third thing you want to do once you get into Germany is get a SIM card, get a registered SIM. All right, because of course, the SIM card you brought from your home country or whatever will not be working. It will not be working once you get towards Germany. So what you want to do is get a SIM card and register it. Okay, you will need it. It's very, very important. Get a new SIM card. All right. So the first thing you want to do is what? Get a bank account. Yes, a German bank account. If you are working, if you start working or whatever, that's where they are going to be sending you your pay and all of that. So you want to get your what bank account, walk into the bank and any bank of your choice. We have a lot of banks in Germany. We have Post Bank, we have Sparkasse, we have a lot of banks. So it depends on your choice. So you go and pick the one that you feel that you will be fine for you. Then get your bank account. Then the other thing I want to tell you, go and register for this television and radio stuff. Your radio and television stuff. See, Germany, they don't play with this. They don't play. Trust me, they don't play with this. I have a friend that does not use television, does not use anything, does not use radio, but they are finding him every single month to pay that this thing. So ignorance is not this thing. That you're not using it is not is not an excuse. So you have to go and register, go and make it known, declare it. So these are some of the things that I think. Do you know any other one? Please put it in the comment section. If there are other things that you should, you know, do immediately you get into Germany. If there's another one that I've not mentioned the list, please put it in the comment section. All right. So these are some of the things. So once you just arrive, try and register your word address, try get your insurance, very very important. Also try to you know, get your worth. So these are some of the things that you should consider doing. I'll see you in my next video.